If you have a penis, we are willing to bet you've attempted to measure it at some point. An 8-inch penis sounds impressive, but is it actually better or just misunderstood? Today, we are breaking down the science, the myths, and the real-world truth about size, performance, and satisfaction. You've also probably wondered how your penis size compares to other people's. Because, unfortunately, we live in a society that assigns a ridiculous amount of importance to the size of a person's schlong. The truth is, it doesn't matter how big your penis is as long as you know how to use it. But the reality is, you're probably still a little curious about the size and girth of your dick. Today we are going to talk about the 8-inch penis. Is it big? Huge? And how can you make the most of what you've got down there? Is an 8-inch penis big? It's not just big. It's kind of huge. Even though we've become accustomed to seeing 8-, 9-, and 10-inch anacondas in porn, they're actually few and far between. There's a reason why those guys are porn stars. The average erect penis is just 5 inches. According to a 2015 scientific review that looked at the flaccid and erect penises of over 15,490 men. In the review, 68% of men measured between 3.5 and 5.8 inches while erect. At 8 inches, you're in the top 1% of men. While you may have a big ol' smile on your face thinking that you're packing an 8-inch penis, I'd like to give you a sense of how long 8 inches actually is. All too often, guys like to tack on an extra inch or two to their penis, albeit on purpose or accidentally. A standard number 2 pencil measures 7.5 inches in length, from the end of the eraser to the unsharpened tip. So if you place that bad boy on top of your penis, not underneath, you don't measure from the bottom, your penis should be slightly longer. What are the best sex positions for an 8-inch penis? You got to be careful with that thing. If your partner has a vulva, you should know that the vaginal canal is typically around 4 to 5 inches when aroused. Translation: you really shouldn't attempt to insert all 8 of your inches, at least in the beginning. If your partner wants you to go deeper, of course, listen to them, but you really want to start off slow and gentle. Your partner will need to be warmed up before taking that salami stick. In general, when you have an 8-inch penis, you want to have sex in positions that don't allow for incredibly deep penetration. You want positions where your partner can control the depth and speed of penetration. Positions where your partner is on top, like cowgirl, reverse cowgirl, and the lotus. At the end of the day, size is just a number. It's not a guarantee of confidence, connection, or satisfaction. An 8-inch penis may be rare, but what truly sets you apart is how aware, respectful, and intentional you are with your partner. When you focus on communication, comfort, and chemistry instead of comparison, you move beyond insecurity and into real confidence. So stop measuring yourself against myths. Start understanding your body. And remember, great sex isn't about how much you have, it's about how well you use it. If this helped you see things more clearly, stay curious, stay informed, and take care of your sexual health. For more facts, fewer myths, and real men's health conversations, like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel.